Welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Justin, and today we've got a Range Rover Autobiography to show you. This is a P460e, so it's a plug-in hybrid. It's a 3-litre petrol engine with a battery and an electric motor, giving you 360 brake horsepower. It's finished in Eiger Grey. Obviously, Autobiography, it's fully loaded with specification, but there is some optional extras on this car. So this car's got the pixel LED headlights. We also have a shadow pack, which makes the badge in the front grille, lower parts of the bumper and the side trims, all in a dark grey finish. It's got front fog lights as well. And coming round, we've got these duotone alloy wheels, which are silver and black, which complement the car nicely. They're 22-inch wheels. And coming down the side of the car, we've got keyless entry. We've got powerful heated door mirrors. This car's got the 360 cameras. We've got 360 parking sensors, which also give it blind spot monitor. It's got the optional upgrade of privacy glass, a black contrast roof, and we also have the added accessory of the deployable side steps, which I'll just open now. So they're a £5,000 option. And we also have the Range Rover mud flaps in gloss black. Coming around to the back, we've got a split folding tailgate, which is sort of synonymous with Range Rover. And in the back here, nice large boot area. We've got some extra charging cables here. In the back, we've got a retractable tailgate parcel shelf. We've got this car's got an electric deployable tow bar as well. We also have the tailgate event suite, so we've got a seat that you can sit on with speakers up here, so you can listen to music while you're sipping some champagne. And then coming just into the rear of the car, so this car's got the Ebony Semi-Aniline Leather. Being an Autobiography, it's got like an extended leather upgrade, so the upper door cards are finished in leather. We also have a light oyster trimmed leather headlining. We've got blinds in the back. We also have 4-zone climate control and rear heated and cooled seats in the back. And then coming into the front, we can see we've got illuminated kick plates as we get in, memory seats for both driver and passenger, and this car's got the signature Meridian audio system as well. Some other features while I'm around this side, we've got a head-up display, and we also have an opening roof which can tilt and slide. In the back, another optional extra is this gloss black trim, which just again complements the car really nicely. We've got cup holders, we've got a wireless device charger in there as well. We've also got a chilled center console. And if we just start the car up, so we can see this car's got heated steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise, which you'd expect, a heated windscreen. We've got the addition of the ClearSight interior view mirror. I'm just going to pop that sun blind back so you can see the roof. Oops. So at the minute that roof is tilted, and we can also slide it back. So there we go. This just gives a nice airy feel. And that, as you'd expect on the Autobiography, we've also got some nice features such as the heated and cooled seats in the front, but we also have massage seats as well, and various types of massage are available, combination with a variety of intensity. Features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. You can deploy the tow bar from here and the side steps. And I'll just give you a quick view of the surround cameras. So there we go. We can look around the car. We can go use the off-road, which would typically show the front camera and the 2 side cameras showing the wheels. And we also have a camera for towing, which makes it easier to hitch onto your caravan or trailer. We've also got configurable cabin lighting. We also have an air quality sensor in here. So as we can see, air quality is very good at the minute. And And this system's great if you have, you know, things like hay fever. The system can, you know, purge all the pollen from the air. It is a nice feature in the car. So hopefully that explains some of the features on the car. If you've got any further questions, please do get in touch. The contact number here is 01642 644 444. Thank you.